we move to another subchapter 2.1.2 to discuss how to model Figure04. It's still under the motivation view, but we will specifically talking how to model the risk analysis view compared to the generic motivation view. We will do our risk and security the diagram using the primary the motivation layers notation. So from here, it's a driver by risk and security threats. Then we have the assessment to do the risk, the assessment, and make a goal for risk control objective. And also goal can be making the most specialized as another security control objectives. Then within the next layer is the different requirements to achieve those goals. So one is the cost measure to achieve a risk control objective. Information security requirements will be using to achieve a security control objective. And then here we also have this kind of specialization, realization, and we also introduce the principal notation usage. And last but not least is in the bottom is a work package, because you need to have a certain EA elements according for this implementation and migration parts. So let's making that, and also this group is talking something the perspective from a certain reference body, like this one is from the ISO 27001, the standard. So you can find out those, and those can be specialized the back and forth with your modeled this analysis. So let's do this together. 2, 1, 2. So let's create a new model first. We'll call that is 2, 1, 2. Is the risk analysis. So for those one is come to here. Let's see the 212 Figure04 risk and security view, and this we call that as a pattern. So with that is we can have our model. So this is our the empty model. So I can save that to another folder. So let me create a new folder. So that we can distinguish with those is this is ArchiMate. Then we starting from this one. So this one is our driver. So we put that on the top. And as I mentioned to you, is we can use the label expression later on. So first, let's give a name. Is this is the risk security threat. And then come to the label. Remember the syntax with a dollar and curly braces. You can make our the target is our name, and then another line. I'm putting it this way. You may choose. It's the dollar curly braces type. Then you can see here that will be better than this one. So that is one the driver risk and risk security threats, and to related to this driver, we have our assessment. So that is the risk assessment. So we will apply those label expression later on altogether for all of them. So let's continue. So this second one is third one is goal. So it's this one. So we put that here. The goal is the risk control objective, and that are the association. So there is also the association, and then we have our requirements. Below this goal is the control measure. That is our realization. So there is a control will realize your goal. So let's select all and make them is aligned. So you can adjust a little bit the space. That is based on your the better view. And in the right part is we will have our body. So we put that as the security aspect as so 27001. And with this, you can see by default is a rectangle. You can change from here to do this kind of the dog ear part. So that you can make is coming here. So you can see then we have that no need so big. So then we have our another not this one another goal is security control objective. That is our goal first. So another goal, I should say. And then we have another requirement within the ISO 27001. So information security requirements. That's also you can make that bigger enough, because we will have another line for this type, so I put that bigger. And for this ISO, we are define certain principles. So this one, so you have these principles. Later on, we put those all together into our group. So information security principle. So how you make this and these are the same size is you can select this one, then using shift select the second one. Then you can see here is getting this empty this point. These are the solid point. Then you can see here. So match size. Match size is the first match second. So let me see here. You can click that. Then this one will match this second. So that is one convenient way you can use to adjust those the sizes to fit in our better view. So that is my this way. So again, so requirements realize your goal, and the requirements also realize the principle, and then the principle realize your goal as well. So I put this like our good shape, and then we have this risk. The control objective is this one. You can see is our solid line. Solid line is not this realization, is this specialization. So that means it's security control objective within 27001 has a specialized item is to your company's risk control objective. So that is this one is you can imagine or assume is this is the one instance of this class if you treat that as a class. And then similarly is from the our control measure, we treat this as our the special class. So with that is we have our the security aspect area, then we put that into the group. Last but not least is one of the work package represent all the later those EA element. So EA element, which we are not showing that detail for now. You can see it's also use this stereotype meaning, so that certain lower level the element will realize your control measure, then come to the upper part. And then now let's select this one, and I copy this simple things, then select all the elements and paste here. Then boom, you see the this working. So if that is not showing bigger enough, try to select all. Then you can drag these together. Then they are showing now. So with that is you have our nice these pictures like this 212 sample. So this can be your pattern for the risk and the security analysis related this diagramming. So there's two reference you can read. One is how to model enterprise risk management security with ArchiMate. So that doc published by Open Group in 2017. Another is 2 years earlier is model risk management. This one. So one is these two are interrelated, and we can also see from the Open Group. So I'm trying to show you here. So if you, that is a very good source if you try to learn the specific areas for the architecture modeling. So risk, security. Let me see, modeling. So just a wild search. Let's see what will be happened in the results. So here, risk and security and risk management. So that is already our big the modeling and threat modeling. Let me see. There's any other things? No. So you can see the open file is one, and the quantitative analysis and information policies, open file, so example guide. So those are the things is coding for the risk and the security modeling. Let me add our more specific with ArchiMate. So that knowledge base certification, clone, knowledge base credential, what to do, ArchiMate modeling, so visual. So our architect toolkits. So that is also one that you may try to see here is a certain the reference that you may try to refer. So especially the ArchiMate specification and the open file. That is keep evolving from 2015, 2017. So don't try to limit you with the reference document in this cookbook only. So, but we start this, we finish this 212. So then this, let's come to our mind map. So within the second chapter, so you can see the 2.1 is motivation. So we have done this figure 3, figure 4 until now. From next video is we will move to the 2.2. So is starting from 2 to 1. We are talking about how you can make this business model canvas the diagramming within ArchiMate syntax. So see you then. Bye for now.